What's up, everybody? It's Tom's Arc. This is your host, Thomas. Today, well, not today, but in a series of videos, I'm going to do the build of the greenhouse, the Reptile greenhouse outdoors. As you can see, this little segment right here. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys like the series. If you do, drop a comment and leave a like. And if you keep coming back to my videos, hit subscribe, If you keep coming back, might as well just hit subscribe. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the series. Well, it's time to start the greenhouse. It's a rascal. Look at those dark clouds all right there. And then look at the uncloudiness. Okay, I'm gonna do some work. Hopefully it don't rain. And now we're back. But wait, I didn't go get dirt? Yes, I did. I gotta take that table, move that over there, go grab 12 bag of topsoil, put it on the table so I can finish the foundation. As long as somebody stops eating my topsoil. I'm talking to you, Roscoe. Hey. making it all even. When in doubt, aquarium, gravel it out. Because I need to keep the drain. With the whole so that when I put more of these, I can put one over this, or make it like the edge of this one will be right here, and the other edge of another one will be right there, so I can wash stuff off and it goes straight into the drain. Yeah. I might add one more bag just around the edges, just to play it safe. But for the most part, besides Roscoe eating all my topsoil, I just do this, just kind of like level everything. That didn't work. See, you're just eating all my topsoil. I'll pay for this, man. You can't eat my topsoil. Hopefully, when we get the greenhouse structure of it built and whatnot, I have a couple friends helping. Hopefully, we will see. If not, it's just my parents. But yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna not level. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna put more topsoil there, a little bit more there, more there, and probably top it off in the back, like all the way to the fence. What are you doing? You're peeing? Okay. Let's take this bag. Bam. So this is the completed foundation. Well, part one of the foundation. Part two is probably going to be adding these bricks. And then part three will be the build of the greenhouse. And then I guess part four would probably be moving all the outdoor reptiles into the greenhouse. But yeah. So all I got to do for this video is play with dirt. Pretty fun. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and like and comment and all that fun stuff. Support my channel, please. But yeah, hopefully the next 2 to 3 videos we'll see a structure right here. The greenhouse that I ordered that actually came in the mail yesterday. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See y'all later. Peace.